Trust feels impossible, right? Like no matter how hard leaders grind, how many deals they close, or how many hours they pour into their mission, something invisible blocks them, a wall of doubt from the people they want most to believe in them. Investors holding back, teams questioning, partners hesitating. It's that silent frustration, that gnawing anger that you're stuck proving yourself over and over, while the world acts like trust is just handed out like candy. But here's the raw truth. It's not about promises or slick presentations. It's about a very specific kind of truth, one carved out by relentless authenticity, layered with brutal consistency every single day. No shortcuts, no fake bravado. When someone trusts you unshakably, it means they see the raw edges underneath the armor and still choose to stand beside you. So how to get there, step by step, and why most people fail. First, burn this into your mind. Trust does not grow from convenience. It grows from the uncomfortableness you dare to face, the conversations others avoid. Admit mistakes publicly. Share doubts honestly. The founders who shout their wins but hide the cracks breed suspicion fast. If you want unshakable trust, reveal the mess as openly as the success. Make vulnerability your strongest armor. Say exactly what you think even when it's risky. It creates a chemical reaction in others. They feel your realness, and that sparks a connection impossible to fake. Second, stop waiting for people to see your value. Trust emerges when you deliver, in total alignment with the promises you make, day after day, consistently, even when everything inside screams to quit or cut corners. No missed deadlines disguised by empty excuses. Show up like your reputation depends on every single detail, because it does. Even small actions become mighty signals if they echo your inner integrity. It's why half the people with skills never get trust, while those slightly less skilled but obsessively reliable win the highest stakes. Be that person, the relentless, tireless, unwavering executor of your words. Third, obsess over their perspective like your life depends on it. Most leaders fail on trust because they never truly listen. They hear but don't listen. They talk but don't absorb. To earn unshakable trust, step into the minds and hearts of the few whose trust you need. Anticipate their fears before they speak them out loud. Answer questions they didn't even know they had. When you become so attuned to their reality, it builds a gravitational pull of respect and trust that no crisis shatters. Fourth, dismantle every old story about who you are or where you come from. Legacy, status, background, these are chains for the unliberated. True trust forms when you stand beyond all labels, showing you are not a product of heredity or circumstance, but of merit, relentless effort, and fearless reinvention. Live like you're nobody's heir, only your own breakthrough. That radical merit, earned and re-earned in real time, levels the playing field and commands not just respect, but unwavering faith in your vision. Finally, understand that trust is your ecosystem. It's not a one-time game. It's a living, breathing network of exchanges that grows only through continuous proof of value and alignment. Trust is not a favor. Trust is a non-negotiable currency that fuels every mission worth leading. So treat it like your most precious asset. Protect it fiercely. Nourish it daily. And when you feel that fire in your gut, that restless hunger to shatter old illusions and build real connection around true value, know this. You're no longer just seeking trust. You're becoming the force that creates it. Stop backing down. Speak your truth even if it shakes the ground beneath you. Own your actions like everything depends on them. Listen so deeply it changes the way they think and feel. Break free from all old limits and rebuild yourself on merit and relentless honesty. That's the secret not whispered in boardrooms, but hammered out in the trenches by those few, those rare leaders, investors, founders who refuse anything less than absolute trust, and through it, change the world. The